Google Chrome is a very popular browser that is used by billions of people to browse and sometimes download. This browser is reliable and well made, but it's not perfect. Some Windows users may have problems with it, like slow download speeds. From time to time, are you having trouble downloading things on Google Chrome? For many people, their own internet connection is the main reason why downloading something with Google Chrome seems slow. To see how fast the download speed is, you should run a speed test on your computer. To do this, you should use a different browser to go to a speed test website. You can also use a speed test app on your computer. If the download speed is close to what you're paying for, you'll need to keep looking for problems with your Google Chrome browser. If not, you'll have to talk to your ISP so they can help you fix the problem with your slow downloads. Google Chrome is running slowly, you can fix it by quickly closing it and starting it back up again. Close the app with the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Del to make sure that no other copy of Chrome is running. Make sure that none of the other tabs you have open are downloading or streaming HD content. This could be why Google Chrome can't get faster speeds when browsing or downloading. To be safe, close Google Chrome and all of its tabs. Then, reopen only the tab from which you want to download something. So, you'll know that no other tab is using up your bandwidth while you're downloading. If you're using a proxy or VPN, it could slow down your Chrome browser's download speed. If you're running any of them, try temporarily turning them off and doing the download again through Chrome. Follow these steps on Windows 11 to check the proxy settings. Open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, select Proxy. Most of the time, a wired connection is more reliable than a wireless connection. If you use Wi-Fi to connect to the internet, try a wired Ethernet setup to see if you can speed up your computer's downloads. One reason why your Google Chrome browser might not work well is if files and other site data are broken or corrupted. If Google Chrome is running slowly, you can try clearing your browser's data and cache. This is how. On your computer, select Google Chrome and open it. At the top right, click More icon, click More Tools, and then select Clear Browsing Data. At the top, choose a time range. To delete everything, select All Time. Check the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. Update Google Chrome to make sure you're using the most stable version. If your browser version isn't stable, you might have trouble browsing. To update Chrome, open Chrome, click the three dots at the upper right, select Help, select About Google Chrome. If the browser is not updated at this time, you should see an option to update it. Chrome Task Manager. Google gave its popular browser an easy way to keep track of how resources are being used. Due to a bug, sometimes when you open Chrome, too many things run at the same time. You can use the browser's built-in Task Manager to close any tabs or windows that look strange or that you don't know anything about. Press the Shift and S keys together while Chrome is open to bring up the Task Manager. Then, look at the tab called Memory Footprint and the CPU usage to see if there are multiple processes going on that you don't know about. You can try to close the tab or process that might be slowing down your browser. If you use browser extensions, you might want to turn them off right now. If you're using an AdBlock extension, for example, turning it off might make Chrome work normally again. Extensions for Chrome can sometimes cause problems that lead to an error message. Follow these steps to turn off any extensions you have installed. Launch Google Chrome. Click the three dots at the upper right. Select Settings. Open the Chrome Extensions tab from the left panel. To turn off any Chrome extension, simply click on the toggle button for the set extension. Restart Google Chrome and check for the problem. At this point. Resetting Chrome might help. This could help if the problem's cause is still unknown at this point. Resetting your Google Chrome browser will put all of its settings back to the way they were when it was first made. This is a known fix for many different problems. You can also try to fix a slow Google Chrome download speed by resetting your network. This could help if the problem is deep in the computer's operating system. Here are the steps you need to take to reset the network on your Windows PC. Open Windows Settings app. Select Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.